Hello students, welcome to e-classes of PNMSA High School. We will continue with our chapter number 3, How many squares? Question number 1. Find the perimeter of the shapes given below. One square box is equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Here, different shapes are given. We have to find out the perimeter of the shapes, where one box is equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Means if we measure from here, this much is 1 centimeter and this much is 1 centimeter. Now solution for question number 1. Here you can see the shape. Which shape is this? Rectangle. As you can see that here the length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length is 5 centimeter and 1, 2. Breadth is 2 centimeter. When length and breadth are different, then the shape so formed is rectangle. Now we have to find the perimeter. So what we will do? We will write first the formula of perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. That is 2 length plus breadth. Now here the length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. First we have to add length and breadth, that is 5 plus 2. By adding these two numbers we get 7 centimeter. Then we will multiply this 7 by 2. So 2 multiplied by 7 is 14 centimeter. Here there is no sign of any operation given here. So if there is no sign of operation like plus, minus, multiply or divide, we will multiply both these numbers. So 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 centimeter. Therefore the perimeter of the shape given above is 14 centimeter. Sum number 2 of question number 1. Here also a shape is given. See here the length is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 centimeter and breadth is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. So here the length and breadth both are same. So the shape is square. So length is equals to 5 centimeter and breadth is equals to 5 centimeter. Now we have to find out the perimeter of square as the shape is of square. The formula to find out the perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by length. 4 multiplied by, in the place of length we will write 5 centimeter. By multiplying 4 by 5 we get 20 centimeter. Therefore the perimeter of the shape is 20 centimeter. Now question number 2 of chapter number 3. Draw another 2 rectangles with a perimeter of 18 centimeter. Here one rectangle is given whose perimeter is 18 centimeter. We have to draw another 2 rectangles with same perimeter. You can see the shape given is of rectangle. Here the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The length is 7 centimeter and the breadth is 2 centimeter. Here you can see that the perimeter given was 18 centimeter and length of that shape was 7 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter. If we find out the perimeter of that rectangle, first we will write the formula of perimeter of rectangle. 2 length plus breadth. In the place of length we will write 7 and in the place of breadth we will write 2. By adding 7 plus 2 we get 9 and by multiplying 9 and 2 we get 18 centimeter. That was given in the question. Now we have to find another rectangles with same perimeter. Suppose if we take length is equals to 6 centimeter and breadth is equals to 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle is equals to 2 length plus breadth. In the place of length we will write 6 and in the place of breadth we will write 3. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. By multiplying 9 and 2 we get 18 centimeter. So we can draw rectangle with length 6 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. So in this way we will draw another rectangle with perimeter 18 centimeter, with length 6 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. Now question number 3 of chapter number 3, represent the area in different ways as per example. Here an area is given, it is of 12 square centimeter. We have to represent this area in two different ways. Here you can see that the total area is 12 square centimeter. If we take the factors of 12, it is 4 into 3 is also 12 and 6 into 2 is also 12. So by taking 4 as length and 3 as breadth, we will get this area as 12 square centimeter, and if we take 6 as length and 2 as breadth, then also by multiplying 6 and 2 we get 12 square centimeter of area. In this way we have to solve the following sums. First sum of question number 3, 18 square centimeter. This also we have to represent in two different ways, but the area should remain same, that is 18 square centimeter. Now solution for sum number 1 of question number 3, 18 square centimeter. Here the first step we have to take is that we have to take any two numbers. By multiplying those numbers we get the answer as 18. So suppose we are taking length as 9 centimeter and breadth as 2 centimeter. By multiplying 9 and 2 we get 18 as the area of that figure. So now we have to draw a figure which has length of 9 centimeter and breadth of 2 centimeter. With the scale you have to draw this figure where the box should be of 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Here 9 boxes you have to make of 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And breadth also you have to make 2 boxes, 1 and 2 of 1 centimeter. So here the figure is formed with length 9 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter. Another way to draw the figure is we can take length as 6 centimeter and breadth as 3 centimeter. By multiplying 6 and 3 also we will get 18 square centimeter. Here also again we have to draw a figure with the help of a scale where the length should be of 6 centimeter. So 6 boxes we will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here breadth also we will make of 3 centimeter and we will prepare 3 boxes, 1, 2 and 3. So in this way if we measure this line, it should be of 6 centimeter and this should be of 3 centimeter. So here the figure is formed with length 6 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. Sum number 4 of question number 3, 16 square centimeter. Solution for sum number 4. Here also we have to take any two numbers. By multiplying those two numbers we get the answer as 16. So we will take length as 4 centimeter and breadth as 4 centimeter. By multiplying 4 by 4 we get the answer 16 square centimeter. So again we have to draw a diagram with length 4 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. And in the length 4 boxes should be prepared, 1, 2, 3, 4, each of 1 centimeter, and breadth wise also 4 boxes should be made, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the diagram with length 4 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter is done. Another way to prepare the figure is if we take length as 8 centimeter and breadth as 2 centimeter. By multiplying 8 and 2 also we get 16 square centimeter. So in length, at the length 8 centimeter we have to take and breadth we have to take 2 centimeter. With the help of scale we will draw the figure where at the length side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes we will make, and breadth side we will make 2 boxes. So here the figure with length 8 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter is prepared. Students, try to solve sum number 2 and 3 by yourself. With this we end our today's video. We'll continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.